So it is a chilly fall day. Beautiful, beautiful, sunny. So along this little path we go, and you know, I was just needing a little spot to. There's my chair fitted in here nicely, and tiny little movement on the end of the rod. Lift it up, start reeling in, and look what's swimming down here. Oh.
Well, good job, Jim. Good job.
Do you want me to walk somewhere? Left side?
Good boy. Okay, good job. Right. Wow.
Pretty exciting.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, then we should get you with a net and a fish, I guess.
Actually, I'll just kneel down and channel catfish from the Assiniboine River. Paler color, not chunky. We notice the other fish are also pale. This is a 15 to 20-year-old catfish. I realized I can't actually kneel since my surgery. Oh yeah. Yes, thank you. Thank you for getting him out for me.
Off he goes. 34-inch master angler catfish out of the Assiniboine River. Good catch.
Thank you. So here's Henry's bruiser, which I just caught that big 34-inch catfish on. Where you get this sweet rod.
Just play entire.
So it was affordable.
That has been a good combination. It's definitely served me well for at least 3 years now.
And the reel, was it a combination or separate?
Yes, it's a combination, yes.
Yep.
We have caught many a sweet fish on this bruiser.
It's pretty fantastic. Okay. So there's the float, and we've made it 10 feet deep, and this is how close we are to shore. So the Assiniboine is pretty deep here in this hole.
Measuring the depth of the pool and a walleye.
Yep, back to the 10-foot depth. Woohoo!
Good catch.
Oh, yeah, good spotting, man. Your measuring has brought us a fish.
The Assiniboine River runs from Saskatchewan into southern Manitoba and is a major tributary into the Red River, which is the world capital for the channel
that's a lot shallower.
catfish sizes. But here along the way in the Assiniboine, we were so privileged today to catch that 34-incher. It's very difficult for the bigger fish to move about out of the Red River because of all the reservoirs and locks and Shellmouth and Portage and Lockport. Every town has a weir or dikes, spillways. Yes, Assiniboine runs 660 miles or 1,070 kilometers long. So what a great day for us to have the privilege of pulling that out on one of the steep dikes, one of these sandy dikes, and it sure encouraged me that I've got hope to catch another.
The sun's going down and we're going to head out. Thanks for being with us. It was a great time catching that huge catfish. Very thrilled, and some of the smaller fish we got here, just a most enjoyable spot. So thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.